In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return stock shoes 2025 step by step. If you bought a pair on StockX and something's wrong, here's exactly how to request a return the right way and avoid delays. Start by going to stockx.com and signing in. From the home page, open your profile in the top corner, then choose Buying. Find the specific order you want help with and open it. Inside the order details, select Get Help or Report a Problem. This is where you officially start the return process. You'll be asked to choose the reason for the return. Pick the option that truly matches your situation, such as damaged item, wrong item, an authentication concern, or item not as described. Accuracy here is important because it helps the team route your case correctly and improves the chance of approval. Next, upload clear photos to support your claim. Take multiple angles of the shoes so condition is obvious. Include close-ups of any damage or the specific issue you noticed. Photograph the box and the shipping label, and make sure the StockX tag is still attached and visible. Use good lighting, avoid heavy filters, and don't crop out key details. Clear, complete photos typically lead to faster decisions. Before you submit, review all the details on the ticket for accuracy, then send it in. After submission, wait for a response, which usually arrives within 24 to 72 hours. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folders so you don't miss updates. If your return is approved, you'll receive an email with confirmation, a prepaid return shipping label, and packing instructions. Read those instructions carefully, since not following them can cause delays. When you're ready to ship the shoes back, repackage everything securely. Place the shoes, any accessories they came with, and the original box inside a sturdy outer box to protect it in transit. Affix the prepaid label, then drop the package off with the specified courier, such as UPS, FedEx, or DHL. Hold on to your drop-off receipt or tracking confirmation until the case is fully resolved. Don't ship anything until you've received official approval. Once StockX receives and verifies the return, your refund will be issued to the original payment method. Processing is typically 3 to 5 business days on their end, but your bank or PayPal may take a bit longer to reflect it. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully, document everything clearly, and your return should move smoothly from request to refund.